Hi guys, this side Cook Throttle, and recently I have ordered one helmet, and the name of the helmet is Studs Ninja 3G Full Face Helmet with Double Visor. Wow, such a long name. So I'll focus it over here. Okay. Okay, you can't read it. So I've ordered this helmet from Amazon, and as you can see, the packaging is really nice, I must say. So very solid packing done over here. So I'll just bring the knife and cut this thing. So yes, this is my room. Okay, this is the knife. Sometimes I use this knife to cut the onions to make the biryani. Well, I'm a biryani lover. Holy shit. This portion is quite solid. Whoa. Nice packaging. Look. Poly bags filled with air. Wow. Okay, so this is the main packaging. This is the main package. Studs. So now let's unpack this. This is the knife. I'll use it very gently over here. I should put it a touch. Oh no! You know, this knife point just touched the top of the helmet. Be careful. Oh, you please be nice. Please be nice. Oh, I'll just get out. Okay, guys. Please be nice. Please be nice. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's lovely, man. Look at it. Amazing. Look. Wow. What's this? It's just can get off, but wow. So I bought it from Amazon because I just wanted it in red color, and I got it for around 1775 rupees. So wow, it's really nice, really nice. So I've used this helmet for around 1 or 2 weeks, and I'll share some good and bad things about this helmet, and I'll even tell you how to put your action camera mount on this. So like you can see, I've done this. So it's a beautiful day today. The weather is very nice, so I am in my balcony making this video. So guys, like, this is the Studs Ninja 3G helmet. 3G, it's not that connection on the 3G. So it's full face helmet, can be converted into half face by pressing this button over here. It's lightweight, not that heavy, and the build quality is really nice. This helmet is having double visor. Look, you can control it by this lever. You can see this. So it's a great helmet, and you can even change the visor on this transparent visor. You can get it changed and install some other other visor. If there are many scratches on it, you can get your visor changed very easily. You can go to Karol Bagh. There are many shops who can do this. So yeah, it's a great helmet, and I've installed my action camera mount on this. I'll even tell you how to install it. Like, it's a very easy thing to do, but you need to be very careful. It's really very comfortable. It's a little bit heavy, not that much. In the starting 1 to 3 days, I had this neck pain because of this helmet, because it was the earlier helmet which I was using, that is also of studs, but that was Suzuki Gixxer SF helmet. Yeah, so the MotoGP edition, the same exact paint scheme helmet, I was using that, and that helmet is really very light. So and comparatively to that, this helmet is a little bit heavy, but not that much. It's okay, you can manage. It will take around 1 or 2 days. You'll get habitual of this. So after that, I've never faced any neck pain or anything. So now I'll show you how I've installed this on my helmet. So I especially bought this helmet because I was not able to place my mount on Suzuki Gixxer SF helmet. So like I kind of bought this helmet because of that reason only. So yeah, I did a little jugaad on this. That jugaad is called Fevikwik only. So now this bracket is kind of fixed on this helmet, so I can't take it off ever. If I will, so it will ruin the paint of this helmet, only on that side on which it's stuck. So what I did was this, that I took the double side tapes cover off and I sticked that thing on another double side tape, and then I stuck that whole portion on this. So I used it for around 1 or 2 days. Then I noticed that double tape was coming off from this side, this front side. Okay, this front side, it was coming off from this side. So I took the Fevikwik and I put it on this side. So now this thing is pretty strongly stuck over here, and it's very strong. It's very strong. I think so it will come off with the paint only, otherwise there's no way by which it can come off. Yeah, so that's all, guys.